Hey, what's up? It's Freddy Sherman, and this is the fabulous, the beautiful Ritz-Carlton Rancho Mirage. It's about 15 minutes from downtown Palm Springs, and as you can see, it sits in the foothills of the mountains, giving you these amazing sweeping views across the whole Coachella Valley. You can see practically from Palm Springs all the way to Indio. I recently stayed at the Ritz-Carlton Rancho Mirage for a BMW media event and wanted to give you guys a tour of my room. Okay, it's Luxury Fred. I'm back in my own backyard, the Ritz-Carlton Rancho Mirage, and I'm in room 2204, which I've learned is a deluxe resort king room. And we'll start out here on the little balcony. Actually, I've never had a room like this before. So we're kind of on the one of the inner courtyards. On the other inner courtyard is the swimming pool and stuff like that. You can see one of the swimming pools over there, and then you can kind of get a view of the Coachella Valley beyond, because the resort is kind of perched up in the foothills here, and it means there's lots of great hiking. Miles and miles of trails that either start or finish or pass by the resort, so you can do all kinds of stuff. But you can see the Coachella Valley beyond there, and the palm trees. You have this nice lawn area. You can see some of these rooms have their own fire pits and stuff like that. All the rooms here have these nice outdoor spaces. You can see it's a nice sized balcony, table and chairs. Moving inside, this is a resort king room, so we have a king size bed. Got a seat over here, not too much extra space. The resort has kind of a desert vibe in terms of the colors and all that stuff, and very nice fit and finish with everything. You have this marble topped desk and workspace and kind of countertop area. Very, very nice flat screen TV. Got all your drawers and things like that for your clothes. I love how they have the welcome Frederick Sherman. Thank you for staying at the Ritz-Carlton. Very personal. You have your Nespresso machine here. Over here you have one of these unique situations where you have a window. You have an open plan bathroom, you might say. So if we go in this side, you'll see that it's actually doorless. Oh, I guess it's not doorless. There's a sliding door that shuts, but you can see you don't have a lot of privacy anymore. You do have your toilet area, your commode in here, and then you have this very nice sink. I'm about to do a backsplash at my house, so I've been looking carefully at all backsplashes. You have that very nice small tile backsplash. Very nice vanity here. And then you have kind of this room, this shower room area that starts out with your shower here. And you do have a mirror there, that's cool. And then next to your shower, you have this big soaking tub. I kind of like that configuration. And this is all glassed off right there. And you can see that you can sit in your soaking tub and you can actually open the slats there and you can have some kind of a view while you take your bath. Pretty cool, right? So what else? Just general stuff under there. And I guess your Lanvin amenity there. And then you have kind of a foyer with this interesting pedestal right over there. And then your closet is kind of in the middle here. And you have a pretty big closet, and then your additional drawers and your safe over there. Okay? So again, this is a room 2204, which is a deluxe resort king room here at the, oh, there's your mini bar refrigerator in there, here at the Ritz-Carlton Rancho Mirage, which is just about 20 minutes outside of downtown Palm Springs. So again, Luxury Fred giving you a tour of my room here at the Ritz-Carlton Rancho Mirage.